Get up and sit.
Yeah, let's begin with the body swing. Okay, side to side. Start. 5 times on either side. And exhale when you swing to side to side. Yes. Now make a circle. Clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 times. Bend forward and exhale completely. Yes. Now take to your right and go around. Shan, you can make a bigger circle. Go back. Muttiya pudichindaka, you will not be able to go behind. So let loose your hands. Then only you can go behind well. Anti-clockwise. And very slow. Enjoy. Feel it at the bottom of your abdomen. Yeah. Lie on your stomach. Let's begin with Shalabhasana. Hands by the side of your body. Yes, legs together at the back. Ardha Shalabhasana. Raise your right foot up, right thigh up by 2 inches. Yes. Chin maintained on the floor. Eyes closed. Mind set at the back of your body. And in Ujjayi breath. 5 Ujjayi breaths. Come down slowly. Complement your left leg. Similarly. Bring it down slowly. Now, Purna Shalabhasana. Make a fist of your fingers, hands. Raise your hip up and place it under your lower abdomen. Raise both your legs up at the back. Your thighs up. Maintain the chin on the floor. And for 5 Ujjayi breaths. Come down slowly. Yes, bring your hands by the side of your chest. Let's continue to do Bhujangasana. Chin up, chest up, upper abdomen up. Stop at the navel point. Drop your head at the back. Close your eyes. Mind set at the back of your body. In Ujjayi breath. With a smile. Come back in the same order. And now let's continue to do fly pose. Superman, superwoman. Yes. Stretch both your hands out and raise it up. And both your legs at the back. Balance on your stomach. Yes. Yes, gently come back and continue to do Makrasana. Stretch your hands out, spread your legs at the back. Yeah, right hand goes under the left armpit, left hand goes above the right shoulder, tuck your face inside. Yeah, let your toes be faced to the side. And stay for 8 to 10 Ujjayi breaths. Relax completely. Eyes closed. Very good on the eyes and the respiratory system. Yes, after your 8th breath out, raise your head up, stretch your hands out. And now let's get ready for Dhanurasana. Bend your legs at the back. Yeah, slightly spread your knees. Right hand to right ankle. Yeah. Left hand to left ankle. Come up. Rock and roll. 5 times. Front and back. Yeah, roll on either side 5 times. Only 45 degrees. Don't go too much flat on the floor. Yes, come up, stay in the pose, raise up. Excellent. Up. Yeah, mindset at the back of your body with a smile in Ujjayi breath, eyes closed. The 4 points, never to forget while being in an asana. Come back slowly. Relax in baby pose. Relax completely. Yes, let's complement to the other side. Hope I'm not very quick. Yes. Turn around. On your back in Shavasana. Just make sure there's no catch, pull, push anywhere. Adjust your neck, your back, both your legs, on your hips. Yes, legs together, hands by the side of your body. And let's continue to do Ardha Pavana Muktasana. Right foot up, bend it at knee, bring it close to your stomach, hug it close to your stomach, come up, chin to knee. And stay in the pose for 5 Ujjayi breaths, mind set at the abdomen region, eyes closed with a smile. Other leg straight, make sure the other leg is straight. Yes, straighten your leg up and bring it down, place it down near the other foot. Complement to the left leg. Come up, yes. Bend your elbow so that you can bring your leg closer to your body. Yes, straighten your leg up, bring it down, place it down on the floor near the other foot. Now, Purna Pavana Muktasana. Both legs up 90 degrees, bend it at knee, hug it close to your stomach, come up. Now, rock and roll 5 times. 5 times front and back, 5 times on either side. Head up. Don't allow your body to cheat you. Yes, now come to the pose position. Be in Pavana Muktasana pose. Yes. Those with severe neck pain and spondylitis problem are not supposed to raise the head. Come back slowly. Raise your leg up 90 degrees. And without bending at knee, bring it down slowly, gently. Don't drop it. Just bring it down gently without bending at knee. Yes, relax in Shavasana. Yeah, palms open to the ceiling, legs slightly apart. Now we'll continue with Naukasana. Legs together, hands by the side. Yeah, legs up 90 degrees. Hold it by the side of your knees. Come up, balance on your lower hip. Hold your leg and come up. Yeah, fix your gaze at your toenail. You can better balance when you fix your gaze. Come back slowly. Yeah, now comes the queen of the asanas, Sarvangasana. Yeah, those who want the help of the wall can go to the wall, and those who can do independently, up. Yes, bring your hips down slowly. Bring your leg down slowly. Yes. Now let's continue to do Matsyasana. Remember to do it with the support of your hands by the side of your ears. Yes, raise the chest up, roll the head, the crown of your head on the floor. Feel the stretch on your neck. Now with help of your hands, release your head. Yeah. And gently place the head down. Yes. In Shavasana, yes, legs together, hands by the side of your body. Now let's continue to do Natarajasana. Stretch your hands in line with your shoulders, palms facing down. Your right foot up, place it on your left side. Turn your face to the right side. Yes, feel the twist on your spine. Yes, eyes closed. Stay for 5 Ujjayi breaths. Mind set at the twist at the back. Come back slowly and complement to your other leg. Come back slowly in Shavasana. Again, make sure there's no catch, pull, push anywhere. Relax. Yes, bring your legs together, hands by the side of your body. Now take your right hand up above your head on the floor. Turn to your right side. Gently give a press and get up and sit. Let's continue to do sitting asanas. Yeah, we'll start with Ardha Matsyendrasana. Legs straight. Stretch your legs straight. Yeah, right foot goes under the left bum. Other leg diagonally opposite to be placed. Yeah. Turn to your left side. Your left hand goes behind. And bring your right hand through the chest. Yes, chin on the shoulder, eyes closed. Mind set at the twist of your body for 8 Ujjayi breaths. Yes, after your 8th breath out, come back. Complement to your left. Give a twist from the bottom of your hip. After your 8th breath, come back. Yeah. Sit either in Sukhasana or Padmasana. Now let's continue to do Parvatasana. Take your hands out, stretch up in Namaskara Mudra. Make sure your elbows are straight, your back straight. Hands goes behind your ears. Yes, gently close your eyes and stay for 5 Ujjayi breaths. And with a smile. Yes, gently bring your hands by the side, down. Take both your hands behind. Hold your right wrist with left hand. Inhale, go back. Exhale, bend forward. Down. Yes. Yoga Mudrasana. Stay in the pose for 5 Ujjayi breaths. With every exhalation, put an effort to go down a little more. Yes. Come up slowly. Yes. Bring your hands forward. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands away from your body, palms open to the ceiling. Feel as though your body is dropped down on the floor. Adjust your neck, your back, your arms, your legs. Gently roll your head to your right and your left. Yes, feel no catch, pull, push anywhere. Be with your breath. Observe yourself. Observe the breath. The length of the inhalation. Observe the length of your exhalations. If need be, you can open your mouth and breathe out. Alpha breathing. Now gently synchronize your breath with the movement of your abdomen. Breathe in, open your stomach. Breathe out, stomach goes in. Breathe in, rise your stomach. Breathe out, stomach goes in. Continue. Yes. Be aware of your body on the floor. Be aware of our friends around us. Be aware of the pictures in this hall. Be aware of the rhythm in the air, of the rhythm in yourself. Gently move your legs, bring it together, hands by the side of your body. Yes. Take your right hand up above your head on your right. Turn around. Get up and sit. Let's continue to do pranayam. And remember to remain eyes closed till we complete our pranayams and meditation successfully.